If you own or manage an office, medical clinic, or dental practice, there are big changes happening in the cleaning industry this year, and they can impact your business. I'm Olivia with the Cleaning Group, and today I'm going to share 5 of the most important updates you need to know in 2025. The CDC recently updated its recommendations for preventing flu, RSV, and other respiratory illnesses. This means more frequent cleaning of high-touch surfaces like door handles, elevator buttons, and desks. The cleaning group already follows these updated standards, using only EPA-approved disinfectants to keep your space safe. Technology is changing how we clean. Electrostatic sprayers allow us to disinfect large areas up to 75% faster. Robotic vacuums and smart restroom sensors are improving efficiency and consistency. That means faster cleaning, better results, and often lower costs for our clients. More businesses are going green. We're seeing high demand for Green Seal certified products that are just as effective as traditional cleaners, but safer for employees and the environment. We're proud to offer these eco-friendly options to help companies meet their sustainability goals. With hybrid work schedules, offices often need fewer cleaning days, but more detailed deep cleanse. We're customizing schedules to match actual usage, focusing on high-traffic days for maximum impact. Seasonal cleaning is critical. Fall is the perfect time for deep carpet cleaning and air duct checks to reduce allergens. We also handle post-event cleanups after holiday parties or corporate gatherings to keep your workplace looking its best year-round. The cleaning industry is constantly evolving, and we make sure our clients are always ahead. Call the Cleaning Group at 630-631-2428 or visit www.cleaninggrp.com. Let's make your workplace cleaner, safer, and healthier. The cleaning industry is always evolving, and staying ahead means a cleaner, safer, and healthier workplace for you and your staff. If you want a cleaning partner who's already using these latest industry updates, contact the Cleaning Group. We'll make sure your business is not just clean, but ahead of the curve.